Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change battery of this Nissan Key Fob. First step is to remove this emergency key on the back of the fob, like this. Second step is to grab a pry tool or something flat, like this knife, and pry the key fob open. Once you open the key fob, we're going to use this Energizer 2032 lithium battery to replace the old battery that we have. After installing the new battery, we can now put back those two parts together. And don't forget to put back the emergency door key. That's how you change battery on your Nissan Key Fob, and thanks for watching.